Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to know if you've most likely won after playing Vulpera Scoundrel as Demon Hunter. Let's get right to it. So sometimes when you play Vulpera Scoundrel as Demon Hunter, you know what card you need to close and win a game. It could be Twin Slice for additional 2 or 4 damage, or you need to silence a taunt minion and attack for the win, so you need Consume Magic. So it's important to know how many spells there are in the Demon Hunter class to be able to know the exact percentage of actually winning the game with Vulpera Scoundrel. I think I've completed all the spells in Standard at least for Demon Hunter. Well, yeah, actually in Standard and Wild. So let's count the total number of spells for Demon Hunter. So in this page, we've got 8 spells. Then if we go to the next page, you add 8 again, but you omit the golden cards. So 16 minus 2 is 14 spells. Do the same here. 14 plus 8 is 22 minus 1, so that's 21 spells. And 26 minus 1, you have 25 total spells for the Demon Hunter class. So for simplicity's sake, I'm gonna show the calculation for what we're looking for without taking into consideration about the mystery choice first. So let's just assume the discover aspect, then I'll put the chances of getting the actual win, considering there's a mystery choice, maybe in the next video. So the first thing we have to determine is the number of possible ways to discover a spell. And the equation for this is 25 spells, so it's 25, choose 3. And the result would be 2,300. So this is the number of ways that discover configurations could happen when you play Vulpera Scoundrel. Then let's determine how many spells you need in order to actually win the game. Let's say one scenario is Twin Slice is the only card that could make you win the game after Vulpera Scoundrel. So what you're gonna do here is calculate how many ways Twin Slice won't appear in 25 choose 3 and see the answer from there, or rather subtract 1 from there. So the equation would be 1 minus 24 choose 3 all over 25 choose 3. Now the answer to this would be the number of ways, the percentage that you will get Twin Slice. And I believe the answer is 12%. But what if there's a scenario where 2 cards could win you the game? Like, what if Consume Magic would have worked aside from Twin Slice, like if you needed to silence a taunt? So we have a different equation, but it's actually sorta the same. So we're gonna calculate the number of ways those 2 cards don't appear, then divide it by 25 choose 3, and again subtract 1 from it, just like the previous example. And here you see that we will get 23%. So if you needed at least one of those 2 cards to win in a certain scenario, you've got a 23% chance of winning. I think that's pretty good. That's more than 1 out of 5, I guess. So what if you're lacking 2 damage and Chaos Strike could actually win you the game as well? So it's the same pattern. You're gonna do 22 choose 3 over 25 choose 3. You subtract 1 from this and you get roughly 33%. So you could follow the same pattern using a calculator And if you need 4 cards that could win 1 out of any 4, you just continue the pattern 4, 5, 6, and you'll get your answer. So let me post that right here. You guys might be thinking, hey, you're overthinking, like, how in the world could all the other spells make you win? Like, you may be thinking only Twin Slice or damage ones like Chaos Strike have much relevance. But there could be different scenarios, like, what if you had Warglaves and you needed to push against a taunt minion, but you would die if you attacked that minion, so Blur might have been an option. Or you needed Blade Dance to clear a lot of taunt guys, and you had exactly the attack power that you needed to clear the board. Or Immolation Auras, also possible for like taunts or whatever. Well, what I'm saying is, there are probably lots of scenarios where a certain spell from the Demon Hunter class could win you the game on the spot. So there. I hope you enjoyed this mini math conversation, and you could actually apply it if you're thinking about playing Vulpera Scoundrel on a certain turn, if you weigh the options, if you'd rather play another card, or Vulpera Scoundrel will give you a nice percentage chance to win. So I think it's possible that could happen in a certain number of games. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, this short math content. And if you like the videos I post, if you like my content, please subscribe. It will help me out a lot, and I'll see you again next time.